Hello. Today, let's have a checkup of your engine all levels and in your seat. Bibiza. We open the car hood, and under the car hood, we are going to see on the left side of the car engine, you will see this dipstick. Take a cloth with you. Extract the dipstick while the car is standing in a level area, and of course, the engine was running. 10 minutes before, of course, so the engine should be warm and go temperature, but it should be switched off for approximately 5 minutes, and then you will get out the dipstick, clean the dipstick a little bit with a cloth, let it back into position, and get it out for the measurements. Then you can see there is a range. There is the area which we have to measure. This is the maximum area. This is the minimum area. And between this, both points are 1 liter of engine oil. So we can read the engine oil level on this dipstick right now. And if you have the minimum range, you should top up with 1 liter, for example. And if you're at the maximum range, you do not have to top up any kind of oil, of course. And if you're in the center, okay, that's all fine. You can continue this checkup every month because it's really important that your engine get a lot of oil supported for running, of course. So after you finish that, clean up, of course, dipstick again, and get the dipstick back in position until you set it the engine block. Then, of course, additionally, you should top up the engine oil in that filler area. So, and every time you open this, look for white foam on top. If there's no foam, everything is fine. If there's foam, that's not so good because you have water in your engine area. And here is everything fine. So we can top up it, the engine oil, over this entrance area. And if you top up, job's done, baby. You can close the lid again and go back on the street. So easy it is to check the engine oil level on your Seat Ibiza. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!